Hey guys, this is Tech Teach again, and this lesson is on calculating mechanical advantages of gears. A gear is more or less a wheel and axle that has teeth on it. The teeth on one gear are diametrically opposed to the teeth on the other gear, so they mesh together. In a gear train of two gears, the gear A here is rotating clockwise, and the gear that's being driven is always being driven in the opposite direction. So let's say that gear A is the one that is connected to a motor somewhere. So we call this one the drive gear. That makes gear B the driven gear. Let's also say that gear A, that gear A has 12. You can count the teeth. Let me move that over a little bit. Got too much stuff here. Alright, so if gear A has 12 teeth, then you can count the teeth on gear B, you can get 18 teeth. So now we can do some calculations based on this. What we're looking to find is the gear ratio of our drivetrain here. The gear ratio can be calculated in 4 different ways. The first and easiest way is to try to calculate the number of teeth. So you take the number of teeth in the out gear, or the driven gear, and you divide it by the number of teeth in the drive gear. So in this case, we can take our numbers here and figure it out. You can take 12 and you can put it on the bottom of the, oops, let me stick that up there. You can put it on the bottom of the equation, and so instead of in, we have the number 12, 12t, 12, and then over here you can take the number 18 and put it on top of your equation. So this becomes a fraction. So 18 divided by 12 is 1.5. So you can take 1.5, you can put it over 1. Let's copy that. You can say that that is equal to 1.5 over 1 is equal to 18 over 12. So the gear ratio in this case is going to be 18 over 12, or 1.5. Now the way you do your math here is you have to cross multiply both of these equations to come out with the right answer. So you multiply GR, whatever the gear ratio is, times N, and you would multiply 1 times 18, and that'll give you 1.5 as your answer. So easier way to do this one, it's very easy. Just take 18 and divide it by 12, and it comes out to 1.5. But this will help us in future formulas to know that 1.5 over 1 is the gear ratio of this gear. Now, I don't have enough time to do the next one in this tutorial, so in the next tutorial we'll be looking at how to calculate the same thing using the diameter. So if we know the distance across the gear, we can also figure it out. So check out my next video, and thanks for watching.